Okay, I know this setup looks like I'm trying to sell you something, but no, I'm not trying to sell you anything. This is what you can win in this giveaway, the details of which will be in this video later. Now, if you're not following me on Instagram already and later you're gonna message me saying, bro, I missed your live sessions, I did not know you were going on such a big trip, or bro, miss ho gaya yaar, damn, I did not know, it is not helping anybody. I cannot turn back time. So if you can, go right now, follow me on Instagram. It is instagram.com/HeartBrokenBiker. Okay, now the questions and the hints you need to answer this round I'll put in this video, but the results I will announce after I come back from this trip. Okay, now I know right, that I have not finished my Bali vlogs, which is Bali, Indonesia from October 2017. Geez, that's like 6 months ago. And I've not even started posting my Gujarat, Rajasthan, Delhi vlogs. That's like Jan, Feb 2018. That's like 2 months ago. And I'm again going on a trip. I'm packing for a trip. Honestly, I gotta take my packing seriously because there's only few hours left for the flight. And look at that, empty freaking bag and everything is lying in all 3 rooms. And anyway, back to the point. Me going away on trips without finishing my vlogs, without posting my vlogs. I mean, what the fuck, right? What kind of a YouTuber am I? Kaisa YouTuber hai yaar? In fact, there are trips from 2014 of Southeast Asia for which I've just posted a teaser and then I have not even started episodes. I didn't feel like editing the vlogs. I mean, it feels like I'm not an ideal guy for this whole YouTube show business thing. But then again, I never wanted to be a showbiz guy. Because you see, there are 2 types of travel YouTubers. 2 types. The first type, I need a YouTube career, so I travel. As in people who travel because they have to vlog or so that they can vlog. I mean, some of them even become travelers to vlog or to make this YouTube career. And then they come up with stories about how they had passion for traveling since they were in diapers. And now the second type is a completely different breed, which is, I travel anyway, so let me vlog maybe. And I consider myself in the second type because it is not super compulsory for me to make a YouTube career out of my love for travel. I mean, I'm not dying to use my passion for travel to find my next sponsor for clothes or face cream.
Move, bitch, get out the way. Get out the way, bitch, get out the way. Move, bitch.
Like, don't get me wrong, okay? There is nothing wrong in finding sponsors, but if you have to change your life story to get sponsors about your passion, your life story about passion to get sponsors, you have to juggle up things, change stories, make a story, then I doubt you should call it passion. Okay, now that you understand the difference, I hope you guys will wait a little bit more and wait for me to come back and start resuming my vlogs. Because right now, I really want to go on this awesome trip. I've got a pack and I have no fucks to give to this YouTube algorithm that needs me to upload 3 videos a week to grow my channel. Now, speaking of sponsors, hot topic sponsors, there are no external sponsors for this trip, as same as all my trips till now, be it India, be it other countries, no external sponsors. This is all personal money and it is making me a bit nervous. Actually a lot nervous, because this might be one of the most expensive trips I've done till date. It's actually so expensive for me that I wanted to buy another bike, like add one more bike here this year, but now I don't know after this trip whether I should or whether I can, because choosing between like spending money for travel and spending money on an expensive bike, I mean, I understand that posing with an expensive bike can give me social media following faster, but then I would rather use that money for travel. Africa single to hai na yaar. Sorry, there is one more thing, that I don't have a plan. Yeah, I don't have a plan. I don't know if I am gonna go and get a bike or go and get a car. I don't want to get a car. I want to get a bike because bike, obviously, Motovlogger, bike, but very expensive, so I'm still figuring out, and I don't know where I want to go around and all. So okay, expense of this trip is not the only thing that is making me nervous. The other thing that's making me nervous is that I have this flight in just a couple of hours from now, and I have not started packing, not even a freaking sock. I have to go and pack. That's right, if you're seeing this video, that means I'm done packing and I'm already on the trip. So in my usual style of giveaway, if you want to win this camera, you just have to answer 2 simple questions. Just 2 simple pimple questions. Question number 1, and the very obvious question, you have to guess where I am traveling now. Where am I traveling? Now remember, this is me, so don't think of the usual places that people are supposed to take their bike in May. Think different. Also, to help you out, yes, I'm going to help you out. Here are the extra hints, or the main hints.
One small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. Eagle, we got you now.
Now wait up. I said 2 things. The second question is, you have to find out how many color options do you have on this camera. How many color options does this camera sell in? For example, this is a yellow, this is a white. How do you figure this out? There is a link in the description which is to the buy link of this camera page. Just go and check how many color options. So go ahead and figure it out. Remember 2 questions: where am I going next, and how many color options on this camera. Just write them in the comments below with the hashtag where is HBB next. That's a nice hashtag, right? Oh, by the way, about this trip, do you remember this? She is going to be there too in this trip, as in we are flying together, but once we land in the place where we are going, we may go separate ways because she has her own plan and I have my own trip. Later, if we find time, I'm not sure, in like first week later or second week later, if we find time, then we will travel together. So in the vlogs you may see her, may not see her. So yeah, it's not decided yet. And before I say sayonara, again, reminder to follow me on Instagram, because I will be live from wherever I am. If I have a signal, I'm gonna be live, and you can watch this new place live with me, experience the new place live with me on Instagram. Sayonara. Okay, if you guys want to know how I shot part of this video, I opened up my bonnet, I put my camera there, and I was sitting here and shooting. Usually I would shoot there, but yeah, there's a car here today. Jugaad!